Okay, so I did it again. Pretty much. Got emails from JM Bullion, items that I had put alerts on when they were back in stock are back in stock. And as you know, I wanted all of the Privateer series 2-ounce coins, elemental, and I don't want to pay, three prices to eBay or Amazon for those. The last time I got the emails that they were back in stock, I wasn't quick enough. By the time I noticed the email, they were already gone. So I saw these three emails like right after they posted, before 2 o'clock, I think. Anyway, I didn't notice this one until it was too late. The white whale number 6. I didn't notice it. I was visiting my sister and stuff. But anyway, so what happened was it's now out of stock again. So I wasn't able to get number 6. Number 7 is still out of stock. I haven't received an alert on it, but I do have alerts for in-stock alerts on it. And I bought these two. I bought the Kraken. I got it for 54. I need to send in my military discount thing. I could buy it a little cheaper if I do that. And I bought the number 1 for 54. And they're back out of stock again. But I don't have an alert on these because now that I've ordered them, and this is out of stock already. I'm not really sure how much I want that. I'd like to see it, but by the time I see it in person, it'll be a little late. I guess I could always send it back, whatever the going price is at the time. But that's nice and fancy. I like this side the best. It's only 1 ounce. So the vast majority of the cost is the rareness of it, I guess, and the little bit of fractional teeny tiny gold nuggets. A 1 ounce coin ain't near this big, so. But anyway, I put this order in. I still think I have enough money to pay off the debt I was wanting to pay off this month because I worked over. But I really, really wanted to grab these while I had an opportunity to do so. Because in the other video where I was showing this one here was like $100 or more on Amazon. So that's quite the savings. And the free shipping because it's over the $99. But anyway, I still have the 2 to get. And I got the alerts in still for number 6 and number 7. I will let you know how that goes. Also, Citibank, where I have one of my credit cards, is offering savings accounts now. Well, they've probably been offering it for a while, but I don't know if I should check into this or not. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to have your savings account in the same place that your credit card is, because if you miss a credit card payment, they might just automatically draft it out of your savings account. I mean, technically you shouldn't have a balance on the card anyway, and you shouldn't have a card. And you shouldn't miss the payment if you do, but things happen. But I might look into this later. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or both. And I will see you in the next video.